Deus sive natura, and whatever God does has a meaning. In His greatness, He allows us to reduce the impact of degenerative diseases and acquired brain injuries on our body and mind, taking care of His creation and reducing, therefore, the distress caused by the disease itself. By taking care of this, the manual ability, which is very important for everyday activity, as well as the attentional skills, can be improved. The experienced loneliness feeling with which so many of us are forced to live together fades away. This happens also thanks to a teamwork supervised by health workers that encourage the interaction with people suffering for different medical conditions. This ends in feeling accepted. Self-esteem and a sense of pleasure raise because we are surrounded by the beauty and the harmony of nature. To be in connection with the healing power of nature also helps improve the mood and the tolerance to frustration by taking us to a timeless dimension where we can be engaged for once in something different from our disease without wasting the precious energies we need to have to face rehabilitation in the best possible way. Indeed, it is almost as if energies are restored. Everyone has the opportunity to find the activity that suits better their level of disability. The experience of Hortitherapy plants the seed for a different and deeper consideration of your true value.